If you're looking for a light jacket, maybe just a jacket to keep the wind off or the rain, this definitely fills the bill. This has so many features. Let me go ahead and just start getting into it and just show you all the things that it does have. So right here on both cuffs, this is Velcro, so that way you can go ahead and seal it up to keep the wind and the rain out. Also, this has a lot of different pockets here. We've got a pocket here. Now you'll notice right here before I zip it down, all these zippers are sealed up. And it's all mesh line right here, so that way it's going to keep out the weather and the rain. I've got a pocket on each side. One there. We've got one here. Interior. And we've got a pocket here too. We even have zippers for the armpits for more breathability. And you can see here it's all lined in mesh. We've got a nice zipper here on the front. It's just nice and smooth. And all the zippers has these little lanyards here, so that way it's just easy to grip instead of just having to grip the zipper itself. You can grip this too, especially if you have gloves on, it just makes it that much easier. We've got drawstrings here at the base, one on each side, so if you want to go ahead and just seal it up just a little bit better to make it nice and snug around your body to help seal out that weather too. Of course, it is hooded. We've got drawstrings on each side of it and on the back side here. That way you can go ahead and make sure everything is nice and snug. And it does come with this little bag here. You can roll your jacket up, easily store it in here, and just throw it in your backpack when you're not using it. Of course, this is a black. They come in different sizes. This is a large. That's exactly what I wear. It does fit true to size. I'm real happy with the quality. All the stitching's nice. I love that it's so weatherproof and keeps out the rain and the wind without a problem whatsoever. Overall, I'm very happy with it, and I hope you found this review helpful.